Yes, this is the second video about the QO-100 and using a micro uSDX mono as an IF transceiver. Today we replaced this frequency synthesizer with an ADF 4351 with an Arduino. Of course, this Arduino will be replaced by the internal Arduino and it will program this, but as external testing I use this Arduino to use it. And I'm getting 1.1 gigahertz feeding into the mixer, and I am getting data from the LNB using a bias T here, and this is the power of bias T. As you see here, I'm able to decode fully the beacon, and the signal strength is much more better because this has around 7-8 dBm output, where we used 0 dBm from that one. Now let's make this full bandwidth and let's go to SSP mode, USB mode, and let's find some SSP QSOs on the band. There should be people talking. It's weekend.
Alpha Echo Tango Echo Radio to remember, QTH located in North Germany. Juliet Oscar 5 to Charlie Juliet Germany. Thanks for the phone.
Let's go up. Let's find some other stations. This is the middle beacon. Anybody here? Not on this side. Let's check the other side of the beacon.
So we're waiting now for some better weather.
Okay, I wish you well.
Best wishes to yourself and your family. Auf Wiederhören. G3TLD now clear.
Small but efficient.
73 Steel. Thank you for the
signal
nice
generator, mixer, and the IF transceiver. The receiving part is okay. Now I will start working on the transmission part soon.
Okay,
Perfect signal.
Yeah, fine. I have the same with my short wave antenna, with my dipole. It's also
That's all
coming
for
over
today.
at the last.